What do you recommend for picky eaters? So the first thing, if you're a really picky eater, is make sure you're trying just a small amount of a food at a time, not forcing yourself to eat a whole giant amount of it. And something that I would recommend is try one particular food, but maybe try prepping it in a few different ways to see if you like it with different flavorings or different textures. So for example, let's say you were trying to see if you could introduce zucchini into your diet. Maybe you could try zucchini raw and dip it in hummus, or maybe you could try sauteing the zucchini and putting it on top of pasta, or maybe you could try roasting the zucchini. And this will allow you to experience some different textures and perhaps kind of guide you towards one particular way that you might like it better. In general, roasting veggies is a really great way to kind of get yourself to try new veggies. So many veggies taste delicious when they're roasted. They get this kind of nice caramelization effect. And it's super easy to do. You know, just cut up your veggies, drizzle them with some olive oil, and pop them into the oven for, I don't know, roughly 30 minutes at 350. It depends a bit on the vegetable, but it's a pretty simple way to prep veggies and try it, a great way to try some more. The other thing is, if you're a really picky eater, be patient with yourself. It can take up to 10 times of exposing yourself to a new food to really feel comfortable with it. So be patient, but also make sure that you do give it a good solid try. I loved answering your questions. So if you want me to do more videos like this, leave me some questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to me through social media on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So thanks for watching. That's what science tastes like.